In the heart of South Tampa is the neighborhood of New Suburb Beautiful. With its oak tree-lined streets and custom homes, it's easy to see why this area is so desirable. Welcome to 2514 West Sunset Drive. This charming bungalow was originally built in 1939. Like any home with an 80-year history, it has had many chapters in its life with additions, remodels, and updates. The latest update to this home has brought it up to modern standards while keeping the charm and character of the original home. The main house is just over 3,200 square feet and includes 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, the formal living and dining rooms, an office, family room, and spectacular kitchen. The original hardwood floors throughout the formal areas have been sanded and stained, creating an inviting warmth to the home. Decorative moldings, grass cloth wallpaper, original wood-burning fireplace, designer light fixtures, and plantation shutters all come together to make the front of this home simply stunning. The master suite is located on the first floor, and this master bathroom is a true showstopper. It features a standalone tub, mosaic hexagon floor tiles, quartz countertops, gray soft-close cabinets, artisan subway tile backsplash, and a high-tech Kohler digital shower interface control. Also on the first floor is a second bedroom with ensuite bathroom. Although every room is beautiful, the heart of this home is the amazing kitchen. The center island is 8.5 feet long and features a Vermont Danby marble mitered edge countertop. The appliances integrate into this kitchen almost like art pieces, with the commercial grade Sub-Zero refrigerator and the dynamic cooking system gas cooktop with 4 burners, a griddle, a grill, and double ovens. The herringbone marble backsplash from countertop to ceiling is just another decorative detail that separates this house from the others. Natural light from the 2 large picture windows fills the spacious family room. The new hardwood floors, crown molding, ceiling beams, and decorative light fixtures add more beautiful details to this comfortable space. Upstairs in the main house includes 3 secondary bedrooms, 2 updated bathrooms, and the laundry area. You will also find a secret door to a very large attic storage room. The fenced backyard has been perfectly landscaped, creating privacy and a beautiful backdrop for outdoor dining. The second structure on this property is the 2-car garage in the 484 square foot above garage apartment. The apartment has a kitchenette, 2 rooms, and a half bath with space to add a shower if you'd like to make it a full bath. Located just 1 mile from Hyde Park Village and a half a mile from the restaurants on Howard Avenue, this home not only offers beauty, functionality, and charm, but also a prime location to fully enjoy all that South Tampa has to offer.